Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have forgotten your Outlook password and now you want to check if it is saved on your computer, here is a quick way to find it, especially if you have used Outlook on Windows before. So first of all, on your Windows PC, you need to simply click on this search bar and here you need to search for Control Panel. So once you are in your control panels, you need to go in your users setting. So in your users setting, you will see the Credential Manager option. There you need to click on the Windows credentials or the web credentials, and there you can find your saved passwords. If you are not able to find it over here, you can try this second method, in which you need to look through the list and find out the entries that include Outlook, Microsoft or Mail. For example, if you go into the settings of your device, you will see the apps option. Click on the default apps option and here you can search for Outlook or Microsoft Outlook. So once you have found that application in this list, you can just click right next to it and select the option of show password. Now, if you have not saved your password, I would recommend you to open your Outlook in your web browser in which you have used it before. For example, if I have used my Outlook application or the web version of Outlook in my Chrome web browser, so I have already saved my password. So you can find that by clicking on the three dots and going to the settings. There you will see the password section for Outlook, and when it is saved, when you try to log in into your account, it will automatically show up there as well. So with the help of these few methods, you can find your Outlook password on a PC. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.